Hi, so we are here at the BAYA Center, and we are going to go in and talk for a moment with Tish, the director of BAYA, as well as hear from a few of the girls that have been using the journals for some time now about their thoughts about the JMB Living Journal and how they find it useful to them.
I love Julie and JMB Living. Since we have met, this has been such a blessing to so many girls in our group.
I've been using these specific journals for a few years, and I think they really help me ground myself and track my habits and learn to the different stories that are in here help me connect with other people. And it also helps me track my day-to-day life and get used to trying to pray every day and track my habits.
So we serve as girls who hold a lot of stuff in, and journals like this allow them to express themselves and really get into their thoughts. I know my daughter loves this journal because she can track her habits. So she was a self-harmer, and harming herself was one of her habits that she wanted to get rid of. This journal helped her do that.
I like these journals because they help me set my goals.
Thank you, JMB Living.
Thank you, JMB Living. This journal has changed my life.
Thank you, JMB Living.
Thank you, JMB Living.
I am very appreciative of JMB Living and Julie, and highly recommend it to anybody, but I also thank anybody that donates and allows us to continue to supply these journals to our girls. Thank you.
BAYA, which stands for Beautiful As You Are, is a non-profit organization that was created to give a safe place to the girls who never fit in and are always looked at as different. We are also a safe place for girls to talk, participate in fun, interactive, self-esteem building activities while having fun with other girls.